Hey, how are you? It's Mike, MikeStewart.ca, and welcome to episode 1 of How to Sell Your Condo in Vancouver. Now, I'm here with Jessi Johnson, the Jessi Johnson Mortgage Team. Jessi, how are you?
Good to see you. Thank you.
Good to see you. Always a pleasure. And the reason why I brought Jessi down to meet with us today is the fact that when you're going to sell a property before the end of the term of your mortgage, there could be a very, very big penalty, sometimes up to $30,000 for ending the mortgage before it's the term. So I'm not really familiar with how this works, so I brought Jessi down to explain what the mortgage penalties are and how much they could be. So Jessi, take it away.
Okay, so when you're canceling your mortgage early, there's a few things that'll dictate what your penalties are going to be. Now, you're going to have either a 3-month interest penalty or an IRD, which is an interest rate differential. And whether you take fixed or variable, or the size of your fixed rate will dictate which one of those two it falls upon. So an IRD, which is an interest rate differential, how that essentially works is if you have a rate, let's say a 5% that you obtained from a year or two ago, you have to deduct the current market rate. We're just going to say 3.5.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got about a 1.5% rate differential in there. And what the lender is going to do in most circumstances is they're going to times that by your outstanding mortgage balance and the amount of remaining months in your term. Your penalty can be huge. Now, we of course have tricks to get around that, but to do that, to learn more about that, just give us a call.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you very much, Jessi. Now, if you want to get a hold of Jessi, you have any questions for Jessi, how do we get a hold of you?
You can go to jessijohnson.ca or call our office directly at 604-628-5040.
Great. Thank you very much, Jessi. My name is Mike Stewart, and thank you very much for watching.
Have a good day.